Living in Gilbert, Arizona, means experiencing a climate that ranges from scorching summer heat to mild winters, often interspersed with monsoon storms. These seasonal changes can significantly impact the performance and longevity of your doors. Understanding how weather fluctuations affect your doors, and knowing when replacement might be necessary, can help you maintain your home's comfort, security, and aesthetic appeal. The impact of extreme heat on doors. Gilbert's summers are notorious for their intense heat, with temperatures often exceeding 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Prolonged exposure to such heat can cause doors to expand, warp, or fade. Wooden doors are particularly susceptible to warping because they absorb and release moisture depending on the humidity, even in arid climates. This expansion can lead to sticking doors, difficulty locking, and gaps that compromise energy efficiency. Metal doors, while more durable, are not immune to heat. The extreme temperatures can cause metal doors to expand slightly, potentially affecting the fit and alignment. Additionally, the relentless sun can fade paint and finishes, diminishing the curb appeal of your home. Monsoon season and moisture challenges. Monsoon season brings much needed rain, but it also introduces challenges for doors. The sudden increase in humidity and moisture can exacerbate swelling in wooden doors, making them harder to open or close. Over time, moisture can lead to rot and structural deterioration if the door isn't properly sealed or maintained. For metal doors, water exposure can lead to rust if the protective coatings are compromised. Even fiberglass doors, which are generally weather-resistant, may experience issues if their seals degrade over time, allowing water to seep into your home. Winter's subtle effects. While Gilbert winters are mild compared to other parts of the country, the drop in temperature can still affect door performance. Colder air causes materials like wood and metal to contract, which can lead to gaps around the door frame. These gaps let in drafts, making your home less energy efficient and increasing your heating costs. For homeowners with sliding glass or patio doors, winter can cause the tracks to contract slightly, which may result in sticking or misalignment. Ensuring these doors are properly lubricated and maintained can mitigate these issues. Energy efficiency and seasonal door performance. Doors play a crucial role in maintaining your home's energy efficiency. Seasonal changes in Gilbert can highlight inefficiencies, such as drafts or temperature transfer. An improperly fitted door or one with damaged weather stripping can significantly impact your energy bills by making your HVAC system work harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. Inspecting your doors for signs of wear, such as gaps, cracks, or deteriorating seals, is an essential seasonal task. Upgrading to energy-efficient doors with modern insulation materials can help you combat the effects of Gilbert's weather and reduce your energy costs. When to consider door replacement. If your door exhibits any of the following signs, it might be time for a replacement. Warping or swelling. Persistent issues with sticking or misalignment indicate structural damage that may be beyond repair. Drafts and gaps. If you feel air leaking around your door, it's compromising your home's energy efficiency. Rust or rot. Visible deterioration reduces the door's structural integrity and aesthetic appeal. Difficulty operating. Sticking, jamming, or misaligned doors are not just inconvenient, they can be a security risk. Outdated style or features. A new door can enhance your home's curb appeal and offer modern features, such as better insulation and security. Choosing the right door for Gilbert's climate. Selecting a door designed to withstand Gilbert's unique climate is critical. Fiberglass doors are an excellent choice due to their durability, weather resistance, and energy efficiency. Steel doors are also highly durable, though they require proper coatings to prevent rust. For those who prefer wood, choosing a high-quality, weather-treated option can reduce warping and swelling risks. Additionally, installing energy-efficient doors with insulated cores and UV-resistant finishes can help mitigate the effects of extreme temperatures and sun exposure. Adding or replacing weather stripping and using a high-quality sealant can further improve performance. Regular maintenance to extend door lifespan and routine maintenance is key to keeping your doors in good condition. Regularly inspect your doors for cracks, gaps, and wear. Clean and lubricate moving parts, such as hinges and locks, and reapply sealant or paint as needed. Addressing small issues promptly can prevent costly repairs or replacements down the line. Conclusion: Gilbert's seasonal changes, from blazing summers to monsoon moisture and cooler winters, can take a toll on your doors. By understanding how these factors impact performance and knowing when to replace or upgrade, you can maintain your home's comfort, efficiency, and security year-round. With proper care and the right door choices, your home can withstand whatever the Arizona climate throws its way.